guys? Today is October 13th, not Friday the 13th. No, we are here on this bus. You know how it is. On the way to RTC. Look at this stick. Look at this stick. Look at this stick, boy. 7 hours of work. Hard work. I don't know none of my presentations. I'm gonna wing it. No, I'm saying no. And look at Alex. Let's see how this one. Let's see this one. Let's see Angelina. Not yet though. And the man behind the camera, William.
It's such bad lighting.
Oh damn, still bad.
It's very bad lighting. Hey, yo, Danny. What are you up to?
Oh, you know how it is. I'm sitting out. Look at Nico Santo. How is she with the charters? Hello. And
who you be next to? Who you be next to?
I'm finna take a nap now. Yeah. Is that allowed? Is that allowed?
Is that allowed?
Jesus.
Shake my head. Danny, you got tricks? You got tricks?
Where did it come from? Where did it come from?
This dude.
What is this card?
2 of hearts.
Okay, pick a color between black.
Black.
Pick one of the symbols of black. Not spades.
A jack.
Club.
Clubs.
Club. Alright. Pick a number between 8.
8.
I got you. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Is that your card?
Yeah, it is.
God damn. Luke Shimlim. What? Oh my god. What? Insane. And now the second card's gone.
On the moving bus, bro.
Oh!
On the moving bus, dog.
Go! God.
Let's go, bro.
Whoa!
We win.
Oh, North High School. We just arrived. Billy, how you feeling?
Let's build a team.
Ha!
Oh my god, watch out, Danny.
God damn. Always looking now. Alex, got this stick. Hold this stick. God damn. Flip that. Turn that. Oh.
One ugly stick. I'm kidding, it's really cute. I love it.
Oh god, it's raining. Okay, Alex, pose. Oh. Yeah. I got my MacBook. Ooh, went to K2 to do my presentation. Setup. Ooh, a classroom full. Got you. Hello, Sasha. Sophia.
Oh, is this your vlog?
Vlogs. What you got there?
This is the Avatar TC pamphlet for, oh shoot, what is this? RTC, I don't know, it's like repetitive. Anyways, so right now we're setting up for Believing in Yourself with Sophia and Danny Chheng. So we're just waiting up on the members and hopefully we don't flop.
Wing it. So hey, what's up guys? I'm Danny Chheng. I'm from 13 North and I'm your hands-free coordinator.
Hello, I'm Sophia Suriana from Division 19 North and I serve as Cam's Key Club President.
Hey everyone, I'm Sasha Pong. I'm from Division 13 North and I'm the Executive Assistant.
And And presenting with us today, we got Will Smith. He's from MIB2. He goes, you know. And he's a Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. He's from Men in Black 2. Yeah. You with us today. I'm Pacific. I can't say that word because I have an accent, so it's kind of weird. So don't hate me. But I won't let that hate down make me go down. Oh my god. Okay, you gotta make your goal. Okay, so these are all things to make your goal. To make your goal. Alright, so you gotta make like you wanna get good at a sport. That's your specific goal. I wanna get better. Measurable, like are you able to get better? Like is it in your range? Like can you actually do it? Like you can't be LeBron James. Well, you can maybe, but you don't want it. You want to be yourself, like, okay, okay, LeBron James, and then achievable, like, can you reach those stars? The stars are your goals. So can you reach it? Relevant, like, does it even matter to you? Like, will it improve you? Will it make you better? Will it make you a better person? Relevant. And then time bound. Can you do it in a certain amount of time, like in your lifetime? So right now I'm in a badminton team, and like from freshman year. Okay, from freshman year I wanted to get on varsity. Specific, measurable. My measurable would be. Wait, don't do this. This is dangerous.
10 more minutes. Good. You did not prepare for this.
That was a goal of mine, to pull it back down. It was measurable because I'm 5'10". I'm 5'10". You gotta say that. And it's achievement because I can reach that, if you understand. And relevant because we're in this room and I needed to get back down. That's relevant. And time bound because we only have 10 minutes left. Oh my god. Alright.
That's a dumb thing.
Will Smith with the wise words. Is that a realistic goal, though?
Alright. So it's important to treat yourself.
Finish my first session. How are you guys feeling about that?
Never let hate bring you down. Positivity is key. Wow.
My leg hurts a lot.
I was forced to talk.
as well.
Sasha forced me to talk.
Danny's
Sasha did a good job too. And Sasha did a good job.
So we're heading off to College Expo now. We're gonna learn about colleges. Not you, Josh. No one cares about your College Expo. So we're gonna learn about colleges. Low-key, I don't know what's gonna happen at College Expo, but it's gonna be a good time. I think we're gonna do a cheer session as well. Yo, this school is so big. Oh, Lakewood is quaking right now.
Quaking? Hey, is that a term?
Okay, ready? Division 13 North! How do you
Whoa, shit, bro. Angelina? too.
Your jacket's gonna get dirty. Ew.
Oh.
Thin.
Nice back.
Wait, wait.
No, bro.
Pick him up. Pull him up.
Yeah. Any volunteer?
Oh, what a view! Oh, what a view! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh.
Like just
No,
shut me
walking.
up. Hey, look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Fuck, man.
Look at this dude. Van wearing black jeans, wearing a green plaid
What
shirt,
you want,
white
fool?
shirt,
Post
tan
up.
ass, boy.
Square up, bro. Square the fuck up. I know where you live, boy. You live in an orange house.
Whoa, wait, too much information. I love you all. Good job. Good job. guys. Back on the bus again. We left the bus with a spirit stick, came back on the bus without a spirit stick. But it's all good. It's very safe to say. We got second place though. Everyone did great. You did fantastic.
I think we did okay.
Everyone knew their cheers. Ain't nobody got papers. That was a fantastic flight. First and last RTC. It was pretty good.
Could have been better, man. We could have won.